Welcome back to the AMAC. On today's show, I'm going to actually be reading from my journal that I have been keeping up with for many years now. And I'm actually going to go back and read from 2014 on the Wave Dream on the Dream series. So, again, if you like this channel, be sure and hit that like button and ring the bell so you'll be sent those notifications and you don't miss a thing. So, I'm going to start reading, and I'm going to do this with the other dreams that I did write down. I will actually read to you, and some that were just really strange and just really left me puzzled. On most of those dreams, I have wrote down, and actually, there is going to be a few more dreams that we may not have time to get to in this dream series. But, however, I would like to read over a few of them that I have journaled here in my journal book that I just showed you. So, I'm going to take you back to February the 17th of 2014. And I had dreamed some other stuff that night, and I had wrote it down. And the same night, this was back when my mom was first getting her chemo, and I wrote, last night I dreamed there was some kind of big wave in the ocean coming to land. And sometimes I have trouble reading my own handwriting. And it seemed to be everywhere. And I was somewhere on a beach, maybe in Hawaii, not sure. Then I dreamed, okay, that's something else that I dreamed. So I wrote down this little footnote here that went with it because I didn't have room on this page. And in this dream with the waves, because remember I did tell you all that there was 2 wave dreams. So I'll get back to this. And I remember thinking how pretty they were and the sun shining on them and how they just got bigger and bigger. And something about a helicopter, that was the only way to get past these big waves because they had completely surrounded, engulfed the United States, and more so up here in the northeastern corner of the United States, up here in this region. I specifically do remember black helicopters flying because down below you could not see anything down here. So I just wanted to reiterate that. And so back to this, and okay, the only way to get past these big waves, and they were something different times, but they hit in different areas. Past 5 something up close around the Massachusetts area and so on. And I also dreamed I was working somewhere and they were going to take $165 out for daycare. Now, this is just something silly that I dreamed in that same night, and why I do not know. But a lot of the dreams I do not write down, but you know, we all have bizarre and strange dreams, but some that just give me a certain feeling, I do write down. There's hundreds that I have not wrote down, but things that were catastrophic or just, like I say, give me that feeling. I do journal those. And I do want to get to many more of the dreams as I possibly can, even if I have to continue on. And even though these paintings that I start and you have not seen finished yet, be patient, they do get finished. But sometimes I have a lot of things going at one time. So, again, I just wanted to share that with you all on the wave dream. And again, if you like this channel, be sure and hit that like button and ring that bell so you'll be sent those notifications and you don't miss a thing. So, and until we all meet again, may God bless you and God keep you.